Okay, if we're given the point 37 and xy, then we easily sketch the fundamental triangle involving those 2 points and conclude that the rise is y minus 7, the change in the y coordinate from here to here, and x minus 3, the change in the x coordinate from x equals 3 to point x. Okay, so the slope is rise divided by run, y minus 7 divided by x minus 3, and we're given that the slope is 2/5. We're asked to find an equation. Well, if this is the slope and this is the slope, then this equals this. So that y minus 7 over x minus 3 is 2 over 5. We solve that for y. The process is simply multiply both sides by x minus 3. We could multiply by the common denominator 5 times the quantity x minus 3. But if you think about it, that complicates things by putting a coefficient other than 1 in front of y. So we'll leave that off, and we'll simply multiply by x minus 3. And, of course, then x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is 1, leaving us with y minus 7 on this side. And on this side, we have 2/5 times the x minus 3, by which we multiplied the 2/5. Then we add 7 to both sides. I've also combined steps a little bit. I've distributed the 2/5 times the quantity x minus 3. But then this is the same thing we had here. And we add 7, again adding 7 on both sides, leaving us y on this side. And you can do the arithmetic, 2/5 x plus 29/5. Okay, negative 6/5 and 7 is 35/5. 35 minus 6 is 29. This is called the slope-intercept form. 2/5 is the slope, 29/5 is the y-intercept. Because, of course, the y-intercept occurs when x is 0, and if x is 0, this term becomes 0, and we get y equals 29/5. So the point 0, 29/5 is the y-intercept. Or we could just say that the y-intercept, knowing that that is on the y-axis, it has x coordinate 0, we can just say that the y-intercept is 29/5.